The Emperor and the Kite by Jane Yolen. The book is about a Chinese princess named Di Xiao. She is lonely and forgotten out of the 4 brothers and 3 sisters that she has, that are bigger and better, which therefore make her father, the emperor, look more highly upon them. One day, the emperor gets captured and is taken to a tower, and since Di Xiao is so small, she can watch without being noticed. The 4 brothers and 3 sisters flee the country because they believe that their father is dead, and the bad men that take him go back to rule the kingdom. Di Xiao stays back to fly the kite that has a basket that's filled with food and green tea to keep her father alive in the tower. One day, a monk passes by and gives her an idea that made her spark to make a bigger kite to help her father escape. She makes it out of string of grass, vine, and strands of her long, black hair. She makes it as thick as she is and as tall as a tower to help him escape. As soon as he escapes, he goes back to the kingdom to throw out the bad men, and he rules again with her as his right hand. The reflective response, I would say, reminds me of one of the 5 objectives that we learned in Chapter 3, to introduce literature of other times and of other nations. The strategy or activity that I would use would be to provide students with books of zoo animals for them to choose and pencil, then watercolor a certain animal because of the illustrations that it has in this book that I thought were really, really neat.